How to send fireworks in iMessage iOS. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send fireworks in iMessage on your iPhone. It's a fun way to celebrate or just add some flair to your messages. So let's get started. First things first, open the Messages app on your phone and simply pick a conversation or start a new one. Now type the message you want to send, like Happy New Year or anything else you'd like to celebrate with. Now let's say we want to say Happy New Year. Now before you send, let's add some fireworks magic to it. Now to do that, instead of just tapping send, tap and hold the blue send button. Now this will bring up a variety of iMessage effects like screens and bubble. Now what you need to do is click on screen. Next, swipe to the right until you see the fireworks effect like this. Now once you find it, simply tap on it and you'll see fireworks going off on the screen as a preview. It's awesome. Once you're ready, simply tap on send and your fireworks will be sent. Your recipient will get the message with an awesome firework animations to enjoy. And that's it. You've learned how to send fireworks in iMessage.